Namaste guys, in this video we are going to learn how to make this shape in Blender. So let's start. So I'm going to hide this part and let's delete this. So first thing that I'm going to do is click on add mesh and click on cylinder. Now I will rotate along y-axis at an angle of 90 degree. Select this, press tab, press Ctrl R and just make two loop cuts. Press 1 on your numpad. Zoom in, go to the edge selection mode. Press Ctrl R again and make 3 loop cuts. After that, click on face selection feature. Select these faces. Press I for inset. Right click on it. Click on loop tools and circle. Just in case if loop tools is not visible, go to edit, preferences, add-ons, type loop. It's an inbuilt add-on, free add-on. Right click loop tools, click on circle. Make sure that you have same settings to see this result. After that, press I for insert again. Now select this face, press Ctrl I, press X and delete faces. Similarly, select this face, press X and delete faces. So we got something shaped like this. Now exit this mode, click on add, empty, click on plane axis, select this, click on here, click on array, uncheck the relative, click on object offset, select empty. Select this, press Ctrl A and apply rotation. How much counts I want? So I want 16. Select this, press R, X and rotate. But how much? 360 divided by 32. Now multiply this value by 2. So this much I want. Press 1. Now press tab. Now go to the edge selection mode. Select these two. Press S, X and to scale it down. Up to this is fine. And make sure that you click on merge. Now if I select subdivision surface, this is how it looks like. Let's make it level of 2. Notice something unwanted result here. So to get rid of it, go down, click on weld. Make sure it is above the subdivision surface. Notice my result is quite good now. Now what I'm going to do is, let's click on here, add another array and increase the number of counts as per your requirement. Click on here, click on solidify. Increase the thickness as per your requirement. Right click, shade smooth. Click on here and auto smooth normals. So this is how you can get this shape. Just to note that there is also a way to create this shape without using all this unnecessary step by using just only shading. So if you want to learn about that, check out the link in description. And that's for all in this video. If you have any comment, doubts and query, feel free to ask. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Namaste.